Hello, Jose Mesa. Got the Tad review. Yep, a Tad review. Night. Beautiful about night Tad. Beautiful. The guys are anyone doing Tad beautiful about night, you got your collected. This is my response to open Tad done by Peter from Silver Ed and Ohio Blade and Cutlery and open Tad, so feel free to join in, but I wanna really like to hear from you guys what kind of night. Tad beautiful beginning to Tad beautiful getting to I Tad GT night BlueCollarSurvival BladeOps 4 BladeOps and Nick Shabazz. You're watching it. BlueCollarSurvival doing a Tad beautiful what night you got your collection by him. Follow me on Instagram www.OCMailBioCodeKeeperInthegland.com and follow me on Facebook. Okay, kitty. And follow me on Facebook www.amagician.com. Facebook. Well, let's get in. Like, comment, subscribe, like the beautiful. Let's begin. They're all the way on here. Part one. How many get? You got 5 nights here. One's our different first. Is a steel handle, the flipper knife, TRKZ, Bailout design, good blade, easy to open, no fun dud, they're not anything, good easy to see knife, carry anywhere, very good knife. Very good night. JT, year ago, JT Night got me this night on his channel on a getaway. That a year ago. And we'll shout out to you, JT Night, and we'll tag you, JT Night. I'm not using this night so much. I'm doing that in order. Okay. Green G10, Fun Dud, Ontario Wax 1, Model 1 Odd 8. Where you got to eat heat night? You do that much? No, this was really good. Very good blade. Next is one we got at Mayhood. Is butt bit fire with orange illusion handle. One hand open. We need to acquire 2 hand closing it. Not fast. Oh, this one an iron lock. Okay, not fast. Orange illusion, pocket quid. Not decarry. But lighter. 440. C8 deal. It's okay deal. Very good night. Nice. And my fourth blade, I'm gonna use them many times. Fire cold pair 3. Very good blade. CPN S3B deal. Filter deal. Green deal. Compressor knot. But G10. Fire hole. You want to do a fire twist. Compressor knot. We're making 9 hole, 3-inch blade. Hold a great edge. That your while. Blade. And my last one night doing the beautiful is my favorite knife of all. You can't see it here. right here. My favorite knife brand side of Bailout Cake knife. WRC Quantity. Blue bone handle, traditional loss, switch joint, traditional, blue bone, Dotman, mini, all that. That blade not had it yet. Not be here a week. I will do a review on that. What else let's do? I'll use it at Bailout. What really good night? Use my Bailout. I think this one. Either night to open, one hand open, one hand closed. Did a really good Bailout. And my second night use the Bailout. This one. That one use to use anything. Cut your pool with, look booty, look cool, and use it for camping. Just like this, you go out camping. Or Bailout. Okay. I'll tell on my one night, maybe to take the Bailout or not. Right, with you any day. Duh. Did a night with you all day, any day. You gotta easy to carry, easy to conceal, easy to put it in your pocket, and you not know when it's there. That's all. I'm trying to make this a build about 9 minutes. Well, hope you like this build, so friend. I'm doing a shout out. Shout out to JT Light, BlueCollarSurvival, bireShot 4, and BladeOps, and Nick Shabazz. And I will tag them too. I tag JT Light, BlueCollarSurvival, bireShot 4, BladeOps, and Nick Shabazz. I will tag that after the video uploaded. Thank you so much. Big Red Easy. You know upload that video you did, and I even do a tag video. Thank you so much, Big Red Easy. Thank you. Will do the tag video on the video. Well, I passed you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video to your friend. Why did Katie be up here? Not Katie anywhere. And my 7-week kitten. Well, okay, I need a lot up now. Stay nice, my friends. Stay for watching. And tag beautiful like me, just like Big Red Easy. Bye.